Getting ready for a camping trip, getting this foiler loaded up. PJ from the trailer park's getting that one loaded up. Garrett's coming in on the old 250 right there. I gotta strap my shit down to the old grill. We'll keep her clean though. It's a new one. We'll get her going. Alright, here we are heading up the old Lubbock Road, heading to bear camp. I'm on the old trusty rusty brute force. And Garrett's up there on his 250 recon. Chassis behind me on our 570 Sportsman. PJ from the trailer park's got a Can-Am 650. And we are loaded down here. I forgot how bad I hate riding something without power steering. Got the hound running along. I'd say he'll be on a four-wheeler before too long, because this is a pretty damn good haul. So it's hard to go from power steering back to no power steering. We went in rough road because we got some buddies in from Arkansas and they're hunting behind the shop and behind the house. We should be setting up camp right about dark. It isn't challenging, it's just rough. Now we're waiting on Chastity way back there. This has all happened since last weekend. Dog wanted to ride. We've made it to bear camp. Get our fire pit straightened out. PJ from the trailer park done got his hooked up.
Huh?
I said PJ from the trailer park done got his hooked up.
Yeah, man, I feel like I'm gonna be in 4-wheel drive tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my bedding ready.
There you go.
Yeah.
Four-wheelers. Look, PJ from the trailer park got the 28s on this girl. These are the factory wheels and tires off the Honda Talon. So we've got camp set up. Everybody's hammocks going. We've lopped some trails down. That's how you get to the water. There's Chastity's, there's mine. We're running under quilts. This is the owl hammock. I haven't put my sleeping bag in it yet. Chassis's all set up. Garrett said he's got his bag in there. He's gonna run this bag on the bottom later. Patrick's rocking military sleeping bag like me.
I can't get no more bites. Why? That's the next fight I get in. When I get home, he's going to fight me.
Oh yeah, what did Dad say, Garrett? What did Dad say would happen if you got in a fight again? Huh? Garrett, what happens if you get in a fight again?
No.
You gotta come back home and fight the old bull, don't you?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
But picked her up and carried her across the fucking
Here we
living
got
room.
our
Like, she
food
was
going.
like
We got our taco meat going there. Pudge pie going with some of our chili cheese brats. Gonna be good. What's your take on it, Garrett?
Looks good. Sounds like it's gonna taste pretty good.
It's gonna be very tasty.
I mean, I'm cooking the
We got food going on. What we got?
taco.
We got tacos going on right here.
Yep.
How are they, Garrett?
They're good.
What do you think about them, Hinkle?
I don't know. Let's go try. Hey, let's go check these Smokies out, bro.
Let's go check the Smokies out.
Let's see what we got going on here.
People that don't camp on a fire when they're camping are just kind of pussies, ain't they?
Oh yeah.
Let me have that. What?
Want to eat that?
Yeah.
I made
Yeah,
that
warm or cold?
on the fire, by the way.
Warm or cold?
Half warm, half cold.
Okay, they're getting there.
A little bit longer.
Mm-hmm. Some people don't know how to live, bro.
Some people don't know how to live.
Like, once they take away our gasoline engines,
Yeah.
make us all go to electric cars, this is how we're gonna be doing it.
Preach, PJ.
We're just practicing, bro.
Y'all do this every night in the trailer park, right?
Yep. Because like what I used to do, I used to have a couple extra meter bases sitting around, so whenever they come pull my meter out, I just put one in it.
Right.
And then they put a lock on it, so now I gotta use jumper cables from the power lines of the house. Well, those bad boys bled through. All my pot plants and everything, my lights pulls too much juice. Well, this is what we're doing off the grid. I think I'm gonna put me up a steel over here.
There you go.
And we're gonna bring back Popcorn Sutton's Dream Shine.
Popcorn Sutton's like our neighbor.
I know, dude.
Tell them how you got your four-wheeler.
Well, I went down there and I was looking at them at the dealership.
You're gonna take it back, right?
No. Dude, I done wrecked it. I can't take something new back. It's wrecked.
But you just take it for a test ride.
Well, I told him I'd be back. I just never could understand why that dude was chasing me down the road. I guess you wasn't supposed to pull out a parking lot with him, but hell, I'm a rebel. I do what I want.
I think they're gonna want it back.
Nah.
You gonna buy it?
No.
Well, that was a good trip. We hit off the mountain pretty late. There you go, get that from Dale. There's Sadie lady. Garrett's still asleep. There's my hammock. Diesel's still asleep. And he's stirring. Oh boy. Picking up our trash. Make sure our fire don't go nowhere. Loading back up the four-wheelers. We'll be ready to ride. That pudge pie thing is badass.
The what?
That pudge pie.
Well, I think it depends on what you try to cook in it.
I think you just don't know how to cook in it.
I think,
Otherwise, you'd love it too.
oh, yeah.
You know what? We're going to perfect stuff in our campsite, and then we'll bring it to you next time.
Okay.
We are getting ready to head out. Got the brute force loaded down, fired up, even for an old carburetor. Hinkle's going. Patrick's ready. We'll have to talk about that four-wheeler another day. I got into an accident with a log last night. Well, this is bear camp. To start the long